So you're not moving for a few months, maybe a year, and you're thinking, I'm just gonna wait until I'm ready. What does ready look like for you? You could actually be ready today. You probably don't know that. But what you can do, and what I recommend for a lot of my clients, is consider new builds, especially if they're gonna custom build it for you, you get your input in it, and build times right now are between 9 to 12 months for most builders across the valley, and they're giving amazing incentives right now, which means you could lock in an excellent rate, you could get some concessions, and what are those? That's where the builder is giving you money back and the lender is giving you money back to be able to buy those appliances and get those upgrades that you want in that home. And you have 9 to 12 months to really work on improving your credit, getting all your finances together. You put a minimal earnest deposit down and you hold that property for you. And then go about your business, get your finances where they need to be, and then go through and get those keys on closing day right on your timeline. So you don't have to wait to start looking and to find the perfect house. You can actually build it, and I can help you. So agents are wonderful allies when you're going with new builds, because not only do I know the incentives that these builders are offering and how to get you the best negotiation at the closing table, but I'm also good with knowing the phases that we're going to want to check in on that property. Should you do an inspection? Yeah, you should, and I'll tell you why. And just make sure that you get the best deal and the house is perfect just for you, and you can do it now. There's no reason to wait, because they're looking for people to buy their houses now, not later. Call me.